In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create greeting cards in Microsoft Word. If you want a fast and professional way to design a greeting card without starting from scratch, using a built-in template is the easiest solution. Microsoft Word provides ready-made designs that you can customize in just a few minutes. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. On the Start screen, click on New to access the template gallery. At the top, you will see a search bar. Type Greeting Card and press Enter. Word will display a variety of pre-designed card templates suitable for birthdays, holidays, thank you messages, and other special occasions. Take your time browsing through the available designs. Once you find a template that matches your theme, click on it, then select Create. The template will open as a new document ready for editing. Now it's time to personalize the card. Click directly on any placeholder text within the design. Highlight the existing message and replace it with your own words. You can type a greeting such as Happy Birthday, Merry Christmas, Congratulations, or any message appropriate for your occasion. After updating the text, adjust the font style, size, and color if necessary to better suit your preference. Make sure the text fits neatly within the layout and does not overcrowd the design. If you would like to change any images included in the template, simply click on the picture. Then go to the Picture Format tab and select Change Picture. Choose a new image from your device and insert it into the card. Ensure the replacement image aligns properly with the overall design. You may also slightly adjust the placement of text or images if needed. However, try to maintain the original structure of the template to preserve its professional appearance and balanced layout. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on File and select Save As. Choose your preferred location, enter a file name, and save your document. This allows you to reuse the template later by simply modifying the message. When you are ready to print, click File and then Print. Carefully review the print preview to confirm the orientation, paper size, and layout are correct. For best results, use thicker paper or cardstock, especially if the card will be folded. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.